I let AI run my entire workday today from this beanbag with my dogs. No desk, no computer, just my phone, some coffee, and AI. And by the end of the day, I wanted to know one thing. Was I actually productive or just pretending to be? So here's the deal. I usually work like everyone else, desk, laptop, focused blocks. But today I wanted to test something else. If AI is really as powerful as people say, could it carry my entire workday while I basically do nothing? No sitting at a desk, no defaulting back to my computer. Everything has to go through AI. If I get stuck, AI figures it out, not me. First couple hours felt weird. I'm used to being in control, answering everything, thinking through all the problems myself. But instead, I handed things off. Questions, decision making, and this is where it got interesting. I had Hermes answering G-Stack questions for me. Normally, I'd be sitting there back and forth, answering the questions from G-Stack, figuring things out. But this time, Hermes just handled it. No friction, no delay. And before you ask, this only worked because of the AI stack I had set up. Hermes, GPT, a few automation layers. I'll break that down in another video. Then I gave it something bigger. I asked it to build KPIs across 15 different areas of my life and business. Something that honestly would have taken hours to do by myself. And instead of working it through, I just waited, read a little bit, and 20 minutes later, it came back with a full system. So by the end of the day, I had a full sales page written, coded, and deployed live. I had a personal dashboard prototype committed to GitHub with several design revisions. The UI was surprisingly solid and definitely a place that we can jump off from. And then I had an entire KPI system designed, spec'd out for 15 different areas. Now I'm going to walk through exactly how all of that stuff works in another video. But the craziest part was I barely touched a computer. Honestly, the only thing that I had to do was log into Cloud Code again because I had forgot to do that on my Mac Mini, where Hermes runs. And that was basically it. Never touched a computer the entire day. Also, unexpected win, my dogs. They're not used to this. I'm usually at a desk somewhere, totally ignoring them. But today I was with them the entire time and they loved it. But I'm not going to say it was perfect. The beanbag, definitely not built for an 8-hour workday. At some point, you do need a real setup. And trying to run everything from your phone doesn't fully work yet. I can't review things that are deployed to the web server, not efficiently anyways, on the small screen. And reading was definitely not that great. Every time I tried to focus, the AI had to ask me some question, get me to do something. And so the constant interruption was not great for that. And that's the trade-off. AI made me a lot more productive, but I did way less thinking. I solved more problems, but didn't spend that much time with them. And so can you run your entire workday like this? Absolutely. AI is definitely ready, but your environment probably isn't. And maybe more importantly, you have to decide. Do you want to think less and move faster or think deeper and move slower? It's a really interesting question. Now, if you want this exact stack and everything I built, it's going to be in the next set of videos. Follow along because this is just the beginning.